Hello friends, welcome to News You Can Eat. I'm Chef Walter. Would you know if green potatoes are dangerous to eat? Well, let's explore it. When potatoes are stored in a warm, bright place, the tubers detect that they might be in a suitable growing location and prepare to sprout. Chlorophyll production increases, which slowly tints the peel and eventually some of the flesh green. While chlorophyll is a harmless chemical, its presence in potatoes indicates that the tubers have also increased the production of solanine. Solanine protects potatoes and other plants in the family Solanaceae and serves to preserve the sprouting spud from hungry animals' mouths. Solanine is considered a neurotoxin, and ingestion by humans can cause nausea and headaches and can lead to serious neurological problems and even death if enough is consumed. A recent study suggested that a 16-ounce fully green potato is enough to make a small adult hill. Cooking does not destroy the solanine toxin, so the green part of the potatoes should be removed entirely. Green potatoes should be especially not be served to children, whose smaller bodies makes them more susceptible to poisoning. To reduce the risk, potatoes should be stored in a cool, dark area, and when in doubt, throw them out or plant them in your garden. That is News You Can Eat for today. We'll chat next time. Ciao.